Hello everyone, my name is Purnachandra Rao, bearing rule number 1795180-249. Today, my topic is about intrinsic breakdown in high voltage engineering. What is breakdown? Breakdown is nothing but discontinuing the process which a particular procedure is involved in it. Breakdown in solid dielectricals is divided into 6 types: intrinsic breakdown, electromechanical breakdown, thermal breakdown, breakdown due to treeing and tracking, electrochemical breakdown, breakdown due to internal discharges. These 6 are the major discharge breakdowns in a solid dielectric materials. Solid dielectric materials includes conductors which transfer electric energy from one place to another places, that is transmission lines, which are used in high voltage engineering or high voltage lines. Breakdown in solid dielectricals can be defined through this graph, modal graph, between breakdown strength and logic time. Whenever there is a change in the logic, breakdown occurs in the solid dielectrics. According to the graph, intrinsic and electrochemical are very take least time to break down, whereas streamer, thermal, erosion, and electrochemical follow the downwards. The variation of voltage, breakdown voltage, with time of application can be defined by using this graph. Intrinsic breakdown. When voltage is applied only for a short duration of the order of 10 power minus 8 seconds, the electric strength of an solid dielectric increases very rapidly to an upper limit called intrinsic electric break strength. Especially or experimentally, this highest dielectric strength can be obtained only under the best experimental conditions, when all the extraneous influences have been isolated and the value depends only on the structure of the material and the temperature. The maximum electric strength recorded is 15 megavolts per centimeter for polyvinyl alcohol at minus 190 degrees 196 degrees Celsius. The maximum strength usually obtained ranges from 5 megavolt per centimeter to 10 megavolt per centimeter. Intrinsic breakdown depends upon the presence of free electrons which are migrated through a lattice of dielectric. Usually, a small number of conduction electrons are present in solid dielectricals, along with some structural imperfections and small amount of impurities. The impurity atoms or modules or both act as trap for conduction electrons up to certain range of electric field and temperature. When these ranges are exceeded, additional electrons in addition to trapped electrons are released, and these electrons participate in the conduction process. Based on the principle, two types of intrinsic break mechanisms has been produced or processed: avalanche or streamer breakdown. Avalanche and streamer breakdown are one of a kind of intrinsic breakdown. This is similar to breakdown in gases due to cumulative ionization. Cumulative ionization means that, as shown in the figure, one of the atom which is near to the nucleus has been discharging its electric electrons to outer shell through like a tree pattern. Conduction electrons gain sufficient energy above a certain critical electric field and cause liberation of electrons from the lattice atoms by collision, which means when the two electrons in an atom orbitals collide each other, they release energy which can be observed through the below figure. Under a uniform field conditions, if the electrons are embedded in the specimen, breakdown will occur when an electron avalanche bridges the electron gap. As you can see that clearly, the orbitals from 1 to 17, there is an exchange of energy from 1th orbit to 16th orbit in a pattern of treeing, which the energy is sufficiently divided between each and every orbital in the form of treeing. Thank you.